Welcome to AFL's Fiber Processing Software, FPS for short, the best way to expand your Splicer's capabilities and improve the effectiveness of your FSM-100 or LZM-100 series splicer. While these splicers are already outstanding on their own, pairing them with FPS's intuitive user interface and integrated functionality takes them to the next level. In this video series, we'll take a deep dive into all the features that make FPS such an incredibly powerful tool for unlocking the full potential of your splicer and making your splicing smart. Installing and navigating FPS is fairly simple. Once downloaded and extracted, simply run the executable setup program with administrator privileges and follow the prompts. A dialog box will appear to display the installation progress, and once finished, the application will automatically launch and should be ready to use. While not entirely necessary, it is recommended that you restart your computer once installation is complete. This extra step ensures that all application components are installed to the correct locations and properly loaded to your PC. Now that FPS is installed, let's take a quick tour of the user interface before diving into the specifics. The first thing you'll probably notice is the navigation panel on the left-hand side of the screen. This panel houses all the FPS modules and can be reordered or collapsed to suit your user preference. You can click on the hamburger button in the top left corner to expand or collapse the module panel. You can also click on each module individually to open it and interact with the splicer. Just above the module menu are the Machine Info, Help, and View options. The Machine Info button presents a dialog box in front of the main window that displays the current calibrated standard arc power value, the splicer's firmware version, and the model name of the connected splicer. The Help button gives you the option to open the debug window or view patch notes from the most recent FPS version, and the View button gives you the option to toggle between the light mode and the dark mode. In the lower right corner of the screen, FPS displays the splicer connectivity status. If an active splicer connection is lost, an error message will appear indicating the loss of USB communication. The FPS modules fit into three main categories: data management, for collecting, analyzing, and storing splice data; splicer control, for directly managing splicer settings and real-time operation; and fiber shaping operations for advanced splicing applications like tapering, ball lensing, and parabolic tapering. Under data management, you'll find the data collection module, which is for gathering splice performance data, the download upload module, which is for managing splicer settings, and the OCD reader module, which is unique to the LZM and communicates with the optical controller. In the splicer control category, you have the live video module for real-time monitoring, the power meter reader for splice loss validation, the manual control module for direct motor adjustments, the splice script module for automation, and the command center module for advanced splicer commands. And finally, the fiber shaping operations category contains the taper module and the parabolic taper module for various tapering applications, and the ball lens module, which allows users to create fiber ball lenses. With FPS, you gain powerful tools for automation, data analysis, and precision fiber processing. Now that we've covered installation and navigation, in the next video we'll take a deep dive into data collection and management and how you can optimize your workflows with FPS.